point, allow me to share our latest investor survey to listen to your voice about your investments. I believe this is the only survey out there, and it is interesting to see how things are changing in the investment climate, given what is happening today and even the world. So let's look at the results of the survey. We asked them 6 questions, basically asking about their financial situation, what are the risks, what are the investment considerations, primary considerations, what were you investing past 6 months and for the next 12 months. So let's look at the results of the survey. We asked you first, how is your financial situation today compared to 2021? And the result is that 40% now saying that their financial situation is a bit worse than last year. And about 31% only saying it's much better. If I compare that to the last time we asked you about this, I think we did this last December. About only 18% said that their financial situation is worse. And about 52% of you said that you are better off today. So I think it looks like the sentiment of investors now is that things are getting to be more challenging. Well, of course, with oil prices, with all of this war in Ukraine and high interest rates, exchange rate that's weak, with greater concern of global recession, and even slower corporate profits. So investments, let's look at the other results of the survey. What is the greatest risk for the market over the next 6 months? And you said, 47% of you said global recession, slowdown in corporate profits. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one that really concerns us now. And only 25% of you are concerned that the greatest risk is really elevated inflation, high interest rates. Yeah, that's what I said. Next, what's the next question that we have? And we asked, have your investment considerations changed compared to a year ago? And 61% of you said that yes, they have changed. And I'm sure your investment preference have changed as well. And only 39% said no. Next question. What are your primary considerations when choosing an investment? And 32% of you said you are now looking at steady growth with medium risk, and 24% high growth potential with high risk, and low growth with low risk, about 24% each. So I guess the most important for people or investors today is really looking for steady growth with medium risk. And next question that we asked is, in the past 6 months, which of the following products have you invested in? And a lot of you, or 85%, stocks, of course, the Philippine stock market. There were REITs, 41%, crypto, 25%, local funds, 23%, and global funds, 18%. But what's interesting, when we asked, if you're thinking of the next 12 months, which products/markets will you tap to allocate more of your investable funds? And about 63% of you said Philippine stocks still. REITs, it's 38%. Now, it's much lower than the past 6 months. But what's interesting to see also is that overseas, or stocks overseas, has increased 27% from only 17%. And global funds of 22% from 18%. And crypto is now down to about 19%. So I think more and more are now considering diversifying global investments, and much less now in crypto. So I think things are changing, really. The sentiment now is that things are a bit challenging. No? I mean, a lot of people, the financial condition now is less than what they were last year. And of course, with greater concern, global recession and slower corporate profits. So investments now they're looking at are steady growth and medium risk is the most important consideration.